Yes, sir.
Yeah, children, today we are going to discuss about the esters. Okay, mute your audios. That is first important. Esters. Children, what is the specialty of esters means children in the laboratory? They are really very sweet smelling compounds. Children. Once you enter into laboratory, if anything is coming sweet smell, very nice smell, means it is from esters, not this. Esters are sweet smelling compounds. Hence, they are used in many flavoring agents and preparation of many essence. Okay, and sometimes they are used because they give very nice smell. Children, in fact. Okay, so how do here today we are going to discuss about what is the functional group of esters. CO is the functional group of esters. How they are represented? They are represented like this: one, two, three, four, like this. They are represented. And remember, children, what is the specialty of COO means? Like how ketone should come in the middle, in the same way ester also should come in the middle. Always a chain is there. Suppose if a chain is there, children, if a chain is there, COO should come in the middle only. You will get doubt, sir. What happens if it comes in the corner? Nothing will happen. It will become carboxylic acid. If it comes into the corner, it becomes carboxylic acid. Do you remember, children, when I'm saying ketones, I told you? Do you remember when I'm saying ketones, I told you? If ketones comes into the corner, it will become aldehyde. If ketones comes into the corner, it will become aldehyde. In the same way, if esters comes to the corner, it will become carboxylic acid. So compulsory, what is the thing is, ester should come always in the middle of the chain. Then only esters are possible. And naming of ester is also a little bit confusing, children. Please listen carefully. I will say as many examples as possible, children, but try to understand esters because naming will not be there in textbook, children. It will be taught in intermediate. But here, in one of the reaction, important reaction, esterification reaction is there, where we discuss about the esters. There, when I am saying the name, you'll get confusion. That's why I'm discussing about the esters name. And CO is the functional group, and suffix is oate. Suffix is oate. Okay, children. Okay, children. Okay, so ester's general formula is CO, I mean, say functional group is COO. Represented like this, suffix is oate. It should come in the middle. If it comes in the corner, it becomes carboxylic acid. Always middle. Middle means what you understood, children? Anyone? I will see who is intelligent in the class. Middle means what you understood.
From propane, it should start.
Very good. Who told? Shantan? Very good. Now.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Fantastic. I appreciate it. So what Shantan is saying is minimum 3 carbons are needed for formation of ester. Minimum 3 carbons because middle means 3 carbons should be there. No? What he said is absolutely correct here. So CO, this is the simplest ester. This is the simplest ester. Okay, we won't write like this only. We'll write like this. We'll write like this. Please listen. As you keep doing, you'll understand. We will write like this. Okay. This is functional. Now this is one bond only, no? 3 bonds. One bond only, no? 3 bonds. Hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. Try to understand. And how do we represent that? CH3, CO, CH3. Okay, children? Empirical formula I'm writing just this is the real formula, empirical formula. C3, C3, H6, H6, O2. This is empirical formula. Just remember that's all. But what is the formula of this CH3, COO, CH3? Okay, now dot structure. You will ask name, you first tell sir, you tell the name. I will say name, children. Naming is only confusion. Naming is only confusion. This drawing structures, all these are easy. Let me complete of easy things. Okay, so naming I will say, children. Naming is only confusion. Okay, children. Okay, one piece of hydrogen, children. One piece of hydrogen. These children, hydrogen get what stability? Helium. Hydrogen, helium, hydrogen, helium, oxygen, neon, hydrogen, helium, hydrogen, helium, hydrogen, helium, carbon. अच्छा Oh, I'm sorry, children.
Sir, you do wrong
Yeah,
in middle oxygen.
yeah, I'm sorry. I forgot to put oxygen. Okay. One is these dots are oxygen. Okay. So hydrogen will be what stability? Helium. Hydrogen what stability? Helium. Hydrogen what stability? Helium. Oxygen. Carbon will get what stability? Neon stability. Carbon will get what stability? Neon stability. Oxygen will get what stability? Oxygen is 8. 2 electrons it is taking from carbon. And carbon will get what stability? Neon stability. Now we will accept tell the names and then later all these things we can do, no problem. Yeah, children. Now the naming things. Okay, children. So children, here we concentrate first on naming children. Later, this normal structure, dot structures, I think by now you are familiar because I told alkenes, I told alkenes, I told alkenes, I told alcohols, I told carboxylic acids, I told aldehydes, I told ketones, I said this many compounds I said by now I think you people are familiar with normal structure and dot structure, you are in a position to talk. Naming arises, the problem arises with the naming. What is the name of this compound? The name of this compound goes as like this, children. How do you name esters means? Listen carefully. First right side. First we should name right side. I mean side of CO. How many carbons are there? One carbon. So methyl. Methyl. Next left side. Left side full. Methyl. Methyl. These two are there, no? Ethanoate. The name of this compound is methyl ethanoate. First right side you should name, then left side. First right side, then left side. 2, 3 if you do, you will understand, children, no problem. Methyl ethanoate, the name of this compound. No, sir, we didn't understand anything. This is your answer. I know, I will tell, don't worry. Okay, children? So normal structures, dot structures, you do, children, later. First, let me start naming, children. Naming I will show in detail. How do you name it? Okay, children? So the basic thing is, this is basic thing, children. Okay, what did I say the name? The name of this compound is methyl ethanoate. Why methyl? One carbon is there. Why ethanoate? 2 carbons are there. Methyl, because 2 carbons, OAte because ester. Methyl ethanoate. Okay, children, what is the name of this compound? Methyl ethanoate. This is methyl. This is ethanoate. Like this we should. Why sir do? That is IUPAC rule, children. I did not put. If I was there, means I would have made some easy for you, but it's not our mission. Okay, children. This is how it is going. Now I will start showing you so many examples. I'll show you so many examples. I'll show you. Please listen carefully. Okay. Yes. Can anyone name this compound, children? Can anyone name this compound?
Ethyl propoate.
Listen, children. Ethyl, 2 carbons. Now here, 2 are there. Here also 2 are there. Ethanoate. Ethyl. What is the name of this, children? Ethyl ethanoate. This compound, please mute your audio none after saying. This compound only will discuss in esterification lesson, children. At that time, you should not get confusion. For that, I am describing the name in depth, children. Okay. So this is ethyl ethanoate. Sir, please show once formula mix. I will show. 1 bond over, 3 more. 1 bond over, 3 more. 2 bonds over, 2 more. So what could be the formula? CH3, CO, C2H5. Empirical formula. C4, H8. This is ethyl ethanoate. This one we will discuss, children, in chemistry. No, sir, we are really not understanding. A lot of confusion is there. Yeah, I know, children. You will get confusion. Once you start doing, I'm not starting. I'm explaining. Ethyl ethanoate. Later you see the video, children. Okay, now see. Okay, this is methyl ethanoate. This is ethyl ethanoate. Can anyone say what is the name of this?
Butyl ethanoate.
Propyl. 3 are there. Propyl ethanoate. Please mute your audio. Mute your audio. Propyl ethanoate. Propyl ethanoate. Here 2 are there. Can anyone name this compound?
Propyl methanoate.
Propyl proponoate.
Propyl proponoate. Because here 3 are there. Here 3 are there. Okay. Anyone name this compound?
Butyl proponoate.
Butyl propyl. Can anyone name this compound?
Pentyl
propanoate.
propanoate.
Pentyl propyl. Pentyl propyl. Can anyone name this compound?
Hexyl
propanoate.
Hexyl. Why hex? Because 6 are there. Hexyl propanoate. Can anyone name this compound?
Hexyl
Hexyl
butanoate.
Hexyl butanoate. Hexyl butanoate. Can anyone name this compound?
Hexyl
Pentanoate.
Hexyl butanoate. Hexyl. Can anyone name this compound?
Heptanyl pentanoate.
Heptyl pentanoate.
Pentanoate.
Okay. Listen. Heptyl pentanoate. Why heptyl? Here 7 are there. Here 5 are there. Heptyl pentanoate. Name.
octyl pentanoate,
Octyl pentanoate.
Name.
nanyl
Nanyl
Pentanoate.
pentanoate. Nanyl pentanoate. Name.
Decyl pentanoate.
Decyl.
Pentanoate.
Decyl pentanoate. Name.
Decyl hexanoate.
Name.
Heptanoate.
Decyl heptanoate. Name.
Decyl
Octanoate.
octanoate.
Decyl octanoate. Name.
Decyl nanoate.
Decyl nanoate.
Pentanoate.
Decyl nanoate. Decyl nan. Name.
Decanoate.
Decyl.
Decanoate.
Decyl decanoate. Decyl decanoate. Name.
Nanyl decanoate.
Very good. Fantastic. Nanyl decanoate. Name.
octyl
Octyl
Octyl decanoate.
decanoate.
Name.
Decanoate. Pentyl decanoate.
Name.
Hexyl pentanoate.
Hexyl.
Decanoate.
Name.
Hexyl
Nanoate.
Hexyl nanoate.
Nanoate.
Hexyl nanoate. Hexyl nanoate. Hexyl nanoate. Name.
Pentyl nanoate.
Pentyl nanoate.
Name.
Pentyl octanoate.
Name.
Pentyl heptanoate.
Name.
Pentyl heptanoate.
Name.
Pentyl
Pentanoate.
Name.
pentyl
Pentyl butanoate.
Pentyl butanoate. Pentyl butanoate. Name.
Pentyl propanoate.
Pentyl propanoate.
propanoate.
Name.
Pentyl
Ethanoate.
pentyl
Pentyl
ethanoate.
pentyl ethanoate. Name.
Butyl
Butyl ethanoate.
ethanoate.
Butyl ethanoate. Name.
Propyl ethanoate.
Propyl ethanoate.
Ethanoate.
Name.
Ethyl
Ethyl ethanoate. Name.
methyl ethanoate,
ethanoate.
Methyl ethanoate.
Ethanoate.
Are you comfortable, children?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I hope you understood, children. This is final, children. That's it. Because naming only confusion, children. Once you know the naming, children, dot structures and normal structures are not very this tough, children, because you have done so many things from ether to decade. So many things you did. So naming you should know, children, how to name, because esters are confusing, children. Because we will first name right side, then we'll go to left side. That's why esters are confusing in naming. Okay, and in 10th class textbook, unfortunately, they have not explained about esters at all, children. But in one of the reaction, esterification reaction, we will come across ethyl ethanoate. At that time, if I say ethyl ethanoate, you will not understand what is ethyl ethanoate, sir. You will say, what is ethyl ethanoate? Means this one, children. CH3, COO, C2H5. CH3, COO, C2H5 is ethyl ethanoate. CH3, COO, C2H5 is ethyl ethanoate. Okay, when ethanol and ethanoic acid in presence of sulphuric acid, if you react in esterification reaction, you will get ethyl ethanoate. Why ethyl ethanoate? 2 carbons here, ethyl, 2 carbons here, esters, OATE, ethyl ethanoate. Okay, children. Like this, esters are named, children, and first one I am saying, children, esters are three smelling compounds. One, if you take alcohols and carboxylic acids and you put some acid, sulphuric acid, immediately you will get esters plus water. Esters plus water. As esters are formed, this reaction is famously called as esterification reaction. And I promise, children, till now no board exam has been conducted without this reaction. Without this reaction, board exam won't be there. Esterification. You check any textbook, any board exam. In 3 sets, at least in 1 set or in all sets, it will come. Esterification reaction. Alcohols plus carboxylic acids in presence of acid forms ester plus water. Here, what is the role of acid? Means it removes the water. It removes the water. In detail, I will say again when I'm saying the reaction, children. One full day I will discuss about esterification only. Don't worry. One full day I will discuss about esterification reaction. Alcohols and carboxylic acids in presence of acid. Acid is a dehydrating agent. Removes the water from them. Removes the water from them. That water will go out. You will get ester. One small reaction I will show. Again, I will explain in detail, children. C2H5OH is ethanol. CH3COOH is ethanoic acid. From here OH, from here H. Who is removing sulphuric acid? Why sulphuric acid is a strong dehydrating agent? When water is going away, what is left over? CH3COO, CH3COO, C2H5. That is only ethyl ethanoate I was saying from that time. That is only ethyl ethanoate. Some people will say ethyl acetate, no problem, but ethyl ethanoate is the IUPAC. Here acid acts as a strong dehydrating agent, removes the water. This is how esters have to be named, children. I hope all of you understood. Okay, so thank you so much, children. If you have any notes, you can ask me, children. Anyone have any notes?